Hey everybody, a long time ago my last video was, but yeah, actually I have no time to collect everything and do some video cutting, so this is more or less a live session where I like to show you that the mill is finished. Some parts are still missing, the roof plate and the mist filter is missing, but mainly I'm finished now, and I just like to show you that it's done, and yeah, let's do a walk around. So this is the front. Yeah, my doors. So the roof will be closed, so I'm able to get the mist out of it and clean it in a clean mist filter. Yeah, here's the spindle. I choose for now the MMKS coolant, so just a fork, yeah, to oil 3 times, and yeah, here in the coolant actually I connected just air. Yeah, also my bellows are more or less temporary. This is something I still have to do, to put some nice looking covers here, which are more rugged. But yeah, to complete it, it is like this now. Yeah, for the chips, I think I did it in a good way, because here in front you can see you can pull it out here, yeah, and you can carry out the chips. Here it's a bit stocking, but yeah, here you will have access, and then you can put it in again. This is made out of stainless steel. Also, here are some studs to get the coolant back in the tank, which is missing actually, because as I told you, I'm just using the fogging for now to keep the machine a bit more clean, because I will only use the machine, yeah, in longer intervals, not every day, not every week. Here it's a connection for a vacuum table, so I can directly connect the vacuum here. Here's my cabinet. I think I already showed you. It's like this. It's a Mesa card. Yeah, on top. The servo drives, and yeah, and the rest, and this the spindle drive. Here's my connection to the user panel, to the interface. This is the air tank for the counter wide, which is on top of the machine here with the chain. Yeah, here's some pneumatic stuff. Yeah, for the air seal, for the surrounding coolant, which is connected actually to the air pressure. What do we have in addition? Yeah, for the fogging, it's also one regulator. Yeah, pressure OK sensor, the surrounding coolant, and that's it for now. Okay. So you see, I still have to put the cable in the cabinet in a cleaner way, but therefore I need the roof sheet metal, which is ready, but I have to paint it and to mount it. that's it. And then I will also insert some lights in the top of the roof. Here, it's a ATC 2-change cylinder. The connections. Yeah, also a lot of air tubes for the foggings. Each nozzle here has 3 air tubes. It's connected. Here you see the incoming 3 times each. Here, yeah. Put the glass in the door. It's PETG glass, so it's plastic, it's not real glass. So, okay. But it feels much safer when the door is closed and the spindle is running. It's a beast, in my opinion. Yeah, the panel is also very nice. Yeah. Here are 2 hinges, so it can be bent in a nice angle to get the control. Okay. So last look is on the other side of the head. Here, where the Z connection is made. Yeah, a lot of tubes, a few cables. Here it's the main connection, and then two of the cables are going into the switch cabinet. This is the main way, and here it's a sub-control. This is a fogging station. It's from Menzel. I got it in a used condition. So here are the nozzle connections, which I showed you, and behind it's a tank for the coolant. Yeah, and here it's a centralized lubrication unit. I'm using oil because I got this pump. Yeah, for a few euros. This was the reason why I chose the oil and not other lubrication. So not grease lubrication. Okay. Yeah, here's my vacuum connection. So I still have to connect it. This is a status quo. I'm still working on it, but forgive me. The video is serious. I'm not able to deliver more content for now, but it's working. Yeah, for here my first tools are good. I think for me it's absolutely enough. Here this is my first try for steel. So I'm not sure. Yeah, here it's a bit more rough. Here it's a bit better. I used a slower velocity and higher rotation speed. What do we have here? Yeah, it was my first try to mill aluminium in a dry way because I hadn't the fogging connected. Yeah, I milled one time around and controlled it, so it's in a perfect geometry. Yeah, so I'm very happy with the first results are pretty good. It's not possible to see it here in the cam, but it's perfect. Okay, so have a nice evening. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, if you have questions or whatever, or do you need a detail please let me know. Yeah, I will provide a picture or a statement